Hi, welcome to It's a Wow. You'll find makeup, tips and tricks, how to create a perfect base, cut crease eyeshadow looks, the perfect contour, using brands like NARS, Too Faced, Anastasia. Stay tuned and please subscribe. This makeup tutorial features tips and tricks for rainbow-colored eyeshadow, a cut crease, glowing skin. Wait till you see the end. Huda Beauty was founded in 2013, launched at Sephora with the first product of false eyelashes. There's nothing like a red, shiny, glossy lip to take you from day to evening seamlessly. Stay tuned for amazing tutorials. It just shows if you know how to use the right products, you can make your skin look flawless. It's a wow. This shows you can mix luxury products with drugstore products and get an awesome result. It's a wow. Face masks and sheet masks really prep the skin for makeup. They're also good to wear to bed and look so hydrated in the morning. How gorgeous is this? Incredible is touted as the new affordable makeup range from Thea Green, the founder of Nails Incorporated. ColourPop's Cosmetics motto is beauty that doesn't break the bank, and this highlighter is absolutely gorgeous. They come in different formulas and are individually sized and come in palettes too. It's a wow. Some makeup artists actually prefer completing the eye makeup first. That way when you put on your foundation and concealer after, it minimizes fallout and cleans it away more easily. This contouring technique is called mapping the face. You use a foundation shade 2 shades darker than your skin tone to deepen the areas you want to recede, and a lighter shade to bring out the areas you want to highlight. Afterwards, you blend, set, highlight, and it's a wow. Talk about carving out a perfect eyebrow. Let's see what else she does. This is a perfect example of how you can use the same eyes, the same cheeks, the same highlighter, and just change your lip color to get a totally awesome and different effect. It's a wow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!